Hi, welcome back to How to Maximize. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. Let's go into the Instagram mobile application here, and after that you have to just go to the profile icon where you can see your Reels, right? So basically if I just go to the Reels section, and here I can see option that is called Reels, right? So we'll just click on the three option, and here you will get the option that there is no way that I can archive it, right? But guys, make sure that it is also seen over the dashboard here, which is on the post. So now we will click on here, and after that you will see the three dots which is on the top right side corner. Just go to there, and here you will get the option to archive it. So right now we will just archive this, and it will take a few seconds, and it is archived, right? So if you want to just check out at where is my archive, here you will get this, and here you have to select to the post, and after that you will see that your reel has been archived easily. So this is it guys. If you found this video really interesting, make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel, and see you guys in the next video.